Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is currently a rainy Sunday morning. Just got back from church here in Nashville, and today's video is a Sunday reset and cleaning routine. I actually love my Sundays. I love Sunday mornings. I love getting back from church and getting everything I need to done. Sunday scaries are real, but this is kind of how I like to deal with them and just make sure I get a head start to my week, and also how I clean the dorm. It's really a mess. It usually is a mess by Sundays, and just, yeah, a cleaning and reset routine. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
For about 1,000 years I've seen everything there is to see. No more lies, if no more hates in the game. You and I, we met when I was just a child, young and old and very fragile. You and I had young impression hearts. Little did I know you cause little did I know I made you nervous. Little did I.
So I love putting on essential oils all throughout the week, morning and night. I love diffusing different scents. Today I did Thieves and Orange, which Thieves is the oil that is a disinfectant and kind of cleans the air, and orange mixed with it just makes it smell like fall. And so I use the Young Living essential oils. I absolutely love them. If you guys are interested, I'll have a link below. This diffuser and the oils are from there. Amazing, so good. And I found this setting that makes the lamp look like a candle, so love that. And then I actually have an oil cleaner that I made with Thieves oil, some soap and water, and it's actually pretty powerful and smells amazing and way less toxic than like a Clorox cleaner. So what I do is I take a rag, because I'm trying to be more eco-friendly and not use paper towels, and I spray it on the rag and I wipe down all of the surfaces in our little kitchen as well as my desk. It also makes the room smell amazing. Skylar walked in and she's like, it smells like fall and Christmas, so that's a plus. Wiping down handles is so important, and I feel like it's so overlooked, but we do not want to get sick bringing in those outside campus germs. These handy widgets that stick on surfaces and hold your cords, it's just a great way to feel organized. And then I wash my dishes. Don't worry, I do this every day, but I make sure to catch up on all the dishes from Sunday.
You and I, we met when I was just a child. Something told me I'd feel this way for a while. You and I, we met when I was just a child. Old and gray was still fragile. Little did I know I'd get reckless.
I share a bathroom with 3 other girls, and so we made this cleaning schedule where we wrote down each job to clean the bathroom and then assigned a week for each person. So mine was to clean the toilet that Sunday, so I did.
You come running back to where I was, my homeland. Down did you know I've been waiting all these years. Little did I know I get reckless. Little did I know I made you nervous. Little did I know I would write that note to you. And did you know you come right?
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the
I think no matter what you do on Sunday, it's important to take time for you and to really get yourself in the right mindset for the week. And so even if I still have to do homework in the evening like I did this night, I made myself some tea with milk and honey, ate some dark chocolate, and I made sure to do a hair or face mask that evening as well, getting ready for bed. And then I always love to plan out my week in my planner, so I'll look at my calendar, write down appointments, meetings, homework, and kind of map out my week so that I'm not too flustered going into it Monday morning.
Summer's catching fireflies and winter's on our skates.
So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I want to know what your Sunday routine is. Do you just watch Netflix all day, or do you like to get a lot of work done for your week? I want to know how you treat your Sundays. Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out.